If you want to know if you can make a lot of money uploading course to Udemy, this may help you. It's my real-life experience of 6 years, showing my actual earnings. I'm making this video so you can adjust your expectations about Udemy, considering that many videos about Udemy courses avoid the topic of earnings. In 2020, I published a short course on the real estate market, which to date has 222 enrollments and a good rating of 4.65 out of 5, with little competition in its niche. Furthermore, student reviews are generally very positive. The course currently sells for $24.95, of which I receive no more than $5 per sale, which I consider a ripoff. When I started the course, I had the impression that I would earn a majority of the sales, but I soon realized that this wouldn't be the case, and this realization dashed any hopes I had of publishing another course on Udemy. In fact, I've often thought about publishing it for free on YouTube, because I know that over time it would gain more and more visibility, something that doesn't happen with Udemy, where the course sells less and less even though there's little competition in my field. As you can see in the graph, in 6 years I've earned $1,463, which is less than $22 a month. Although the course is well reviewed, I've never felt that Udemy has done anything to strongly promote it. As you can see, my earnings are very modest and hardly likely to inspire anyone to follow in my footsteps. Anyway, I'll give you some recommendations on what I think could help you earn much more money than I have on Udemy. The first would be to target a large audience, that is, to address a topic that generates great interest among many people. Second, be among the first to address the topic or approach it in a different way that makes your course unique. I don't think you can make much money by being late to the competition in a saturated market. And third, create a long course. People feel their money was worth more if they buy a 15-hour course instead of a 1-hour course, even though the 1-hour course has 100 times more relevant and better explained information.